Okay, today our topic, the awareness campaign on COVID vaccination, conducted at Vimala Raina High School on the 12th March 2021. So today we are conducting awareness on this COVID vaccination. So we know this COVID, we call it COVID-19, right? So it is COVID-19 is the disease which is caused by coronavirus. Okay, so coronavirus is a type of virus that can cause different types of ailments in our body, like lung infection, difficulty in breathing, fever, headaches, and many other types of disease in our body. Okay, so because of this COVID-19, last year we are not able to take class. We cannot come to school. So the whole year we are not taking class because of the COVID-19. Okay, so virus, when we mean virus, it is a disease causing agent. Okay, a disease causing agent. So when this is, let's imagine this one is our body, this one is human being. So when this, let's say this is a virus, so this virus, when it enters into the body, when any foreign body or any foreign agent enter into our human body, they are the antigen. Okay, so they are the antigen. Then they are supposed to, when they are causing disease to this particular body, to human being, until and unless the body is able to form antibody. Okay, now when any foreign particles, when it enters into a body and that can cause disease, they are called the antigen. So the COVID-19, this, we give the symbol somehow like this, it's not this COVID-19, or we call it as coronavirus, is not? So this virus, coronavirus, is now an antigen for the body. So until and unless the antibodies in the human being is developed, antibodies mean a type of agent which is formed by our human immune system. Okay, our human body immune system will form an antigen, an antibodies against this virus. Then by that time, when antibodies are developed in the human body, then they will be able to kill this coronavirus. Okay, so we observe that many older peoples and children are dying of coronavirus, whereas stronger persons are not dying of coronavirus. No, it is because the immune systems of those young persons are more active than those older people. Okay, so that is why many people, older people, especially in Italy, many older people are dying. It's not. It is because their immune systems are not effective enough to produce antibodies against this coronavirus. Okay, so now to develop the antibodies by the human body itself, it takes time. Okay, and it needs a strong immune system. Okay, our body immune system needs to be strong to produce antibodies against this coronavirus. So the government to help in the fighting of this coronavirus, they developed a vaccine. Okay, there are many types of, I think 3 or more vaccines are already developed, is not? How many did you know? Anyone? What is the vaccine that is produced in Britain? Then in India? In India, what vaccine is produced? Anyone? No one? You say Covaxin, no? And I think you read in the newspaper, in Britain also it is developed, in America also what types of vaccine is developed. So when we mean vaccine, it is not actually a medicine to kill, not directly. It is not like pain relief. Okay, vaccine is not pain relief type medicine. When you take this vaccine, that means the coronavirus will be just killed. Okay, it is not like that. So vaccine means, so COVID vaccine means, as I say, when we injected, so this vaccination means, now let's say this is vaccine, Covaxin, let's say, Covaxin, which is developed in India. Okay, now when this Covaxin is developed here, then when coronavirus enters into our body, then this Covaxin, since it was already injected into this person's body, then this Covaxin will be able to fight with this antigen that enters any foreign particle. It is a foreign particle, it is not a part of our body, it's not COVID-19. This coronavirus is not born with, is not our inborn material. It is foreign bodies, not. So when it enters, they are an antigen for the body. Then to form the antibodies against this coronavirus, the government now invented or prepared these vaccines, which is called Covaxin in India. Okay, I just forget the name, produced in Britain and America, but there are many other types also produced now. So this Covaxin is a vaccine, not direct medicine. It is a medicine to boost up your immune system, and at the same time it is an agent for forming antibodies against the coronavirus. Okay, can you understand? So when this coronavirus enters into our body, the Covaxin will fight that coronavirus in our body. Then they will kill or they will inactivate the activities of this coronavirus. Then if we are already